Hey everyone, happy Independence Day. Today we're going to be opening a 2023-24 Topps Museum Collection UEFA Championship card. And here it is. Package. Now I don't know much about soccer, but ever since my two nephews started playing, I got to know the game a little bit more. And the last time I opened a pack of cards was back when Peyton Manning was a rookie. So forward to today, it's been a couple of decades. So yeah, I hope that by the end of this pack of cards we'll go out with a bang. So again, happy 4th of July to everyone, and let's get this going. So let's see. Okay. And there it is, Topps Museum Collection. Got there. Like I said, I don't know much about soccer or the players, but I guess I'll be getting to know some now. Let's see. France. Joshua, I don't know how to pronounce those names, so bear with me. Angel Alarcion or something like that. Oh, LAMINE Yamal rookie card. Yeah, I heard he's good. Rafael Leao, I heard of him before. Number 2/150. Donnarumma, number 2/199. It's a patch. I think that's a patch. Declan Rice, number 250. That's pretty good. Good numbers. Yeah, I like it. It's pretty good. And who is this? Gavi. My nephew's favorite player, Gavi, number 299. So it's pretty cool, man. After a couple of decades of not opening cards, this is pretty cool. I'm pretty happy, especially with this guy here. LAMINE Yamal rookie card. Yeah. Awesome, guys. Have a good day.